Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Saeed Irfan and welcome back to our lecture series on IT security audit. In the previous lecture, we introduced the concept of IT security audit. In today's session, we will build the foundations of understanding information security fundamentals which are essential for an IT security audit. Let's talk about the learning objectives of today's lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand number one, CIA Triad, explain the concepts of risk, threat, and vulnerability, identify different types of security controls, relate these concepts to IT security auditing. Information security is built on three core principles known as CIA Triad. C meaning confidentiality. Confidentiality ensures that information is accessible only to authorized users. Example, password protection, encryption, access controls. If confidentiality is broken, sensitive data can be exposed. Number two, integrity. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate, consistent, and unaltered. Examples, hashing, digital signatures, data validation mechanisms. If integrity is compromised, data may be modified without authorization. Number three, availability. Availability ensures that systems and data are accessible when needed. Examples, backup systems, disaster recovery plans, redundant infrastructure. If availability is lost, systems may become unusable. An IT security auditor always evaluates whether these three principles are properly implemented. Let's understand risk, threat, and vulnerability. These three concepts are often confused, but they are different. Vulnerability is a weakness in the system. Example, weak passwords or outdated software. Threat is something that can exploit a vulnerability. Example, hackers, malware, or insider attacks. Risk is a potential loss or damage when a threat exploits a vulnerability. Here we understand a simple relationship. Risk is equal to threat into vulnerability into impact. Example, if a system has a weak password, vulnerability comes in and hackers attempt access, that means threat. Now let's discuss about security controls. To reduce risk, organizations implement security controls. Let's see how many types of security controls we have. Number one, preventive controls. Stop incidents before they happen. Examples, firewalls, access control systems. Number two, detective controls. Identify incidents when they occur. Example, intrusion detection systems, IDS logs. Number third, corrective controls. Fix issues after detection. Example, backups, patching systems. An IT security auditor checks whether these controls are properly designed and effectively working. Let's understand its relevance to IT security audit. In an audit, these concepts are applied as follows. CIA Triad, it evaluates security objectives. For example, vulnerabilities, identify weaknesses, threats, analyze possible attacks, risk, and prioritize IT audit areas. This forms the core of an IT security audit process. Now, let's see the quick recap. In today's lecture, we covered CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability, risk, threats, and vulnerability. And also, we have covered types of security controls, their role in IT security audit. In the next lecture, we will explore IT governance and security frameworks, including COBIT, ISO standards, and more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.